any idea how much this shirt costs?
Now, how much?
Probably more than your car, you idiot!
Must be an expensive car.
Did I say car? I meant a buggy or a scooter even.
Don't mind him. He should.
If I were a poor person, I'd still live on the edge. I'd travel around South America, hitchhiking and playing my guitar, serenading the senoritas to earn some cash for food.
You clearly got it all figured out.
Maybe, almost.
Oh, what are you trying to do, old man?
Take the prince's punishment, you putrid dog.
Oh, stop. Don't whip him like an old woman. Do it like this. I'll take your punishment, but not for you. Great danger.
Get to the rear, boy.
What's the matter, Gruner? Afraid to get your feet wet?
I think you're scared of boats too.
Did you feel that?
Whoa, there it is.
Oh, that's just a fish!
Помолихме двама приятели да си представят другия като пенсионер.
Представяш ли си да сме още живи?
И да сме, що годе здрави, а? И така цели 20-30 години. Пенсия.
Тебе още ще канят да преподаваш в разни университети, ще пътуваш, млади студентки.
Да, и като им говоря на студентките, ще стоя в 3/4. Да си крия слуховия апарат.
Представяш си го или не, живота на 70 съществува. И колкото по-рано помислиш за старостта, толкова по-млад ще се чувстваш, когато тя дойде. Виж как на unicreditbullbank.bg. Златни години.
I haven't done it for so long.
Me too, man. I need it. I really need it.
How are we gonna do it?
How?
Yeah.
Fast and nice.
Yeah. Nice and clean.
Yeah. But
When?
we can do it now, man.
Now.
I cannot wait anymore.
Wait. We need some preparation.
Are we going to protect ourselves somehow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, how about you hold her down?
Yeah. And you hit her on the head.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we start. Okay. So, from where we are going to start? From the top or from the bottom?
Well, what half do you want?
The bottom.
You want the bottom half? Yeah. Right, I'll take the top off.
Okay. Then we can switch.